Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Friday, it's August 12th of 2022, and we have huge news from Princess. If you didn't catch my other video today, go back and catch that. I put it out a couple of hours ago, but then this happened, and it is definitely worth telling you all about. So let's get started. So today, August 12th, Princess made an announcement. It was in the news center on their website, and it says, Princess Cruises removes vaccine requirement for most voyages, eliminates pre-cruise testing for vaccinated guests. And so today, Princess Cruises announced updated COVID-19 protocols and guidelines, removing the vaccine requirement for voyages of less than 16 days so that anyone can cruise, and adjusting the pre-travel testing requirements to make it less complicated. So that sounds like it's a step in the right direction there as far as not so complex. Starting on September 6th, unvaccinated guests sailing on voyages less than 16 days will no longer have to test before boarding and only need to upload proof of vaccination while getting ocean ready. If you're not familiar with Ocean Ready, that's what you do on the Medallion Class app to get ready to board the ship. At embarkation, they have a super fast, slick process of doing that if you are Ocean Ready. And if you, for some reason, can't do that, it's okay. It just takes a few minutes longer and you'll still be able to board. It says unvaccinated guests or those who do not provide proof of vaccination on those itineraries will self-test within 3 days of sailing and upload proof of a negative test before boarding. So with that self-test, it sounds like you don't need to be proctored to do that. You'll just need to upload that. But I am really hoping for some more clarification on that soon from Princess. It says these new guidelines apply to itineraries from all departure ports except where government regulations and protocols may vary, like in Canada, Greece, and Australia. So there's two main points they want to make sure everyone is clear on. It says no pre-cruise testing for vaccinated guests on voyages up to 15 nights, with the exception of full Panama Canal transits, Transocean, and other special itineraries. Unvaccinated guests must provide a negative self-test result taken within 3 days of embarkation. Unvaccinated children who are aged 5 and under do not need to do a test. And then also guests sailing on voyages that are 16 nights or longer or are on those full Panama Canal transit, a Transocean, or other specific itinerary need to take a supervised test within 3 days of embarkation, and that applies to children who are ages 5 and older. Guests on these types of voyages will be contacted directly by an ocean navigator to assist. So clearly they will be in contact with you if you are on one of those longer voyages that are either 16 nights or longer, or the Panama Canal full transit, the Transocean, or the special itineraries. And you know, a cool thing, you know why they call it that Transocean? It's because they're starting up their Trans-Pacific again, and I think that's so exciting. But anyway, that's a side note. So this is really, really big news. I think it's very much going to simplify the process for embarkation. It's going to simplify not having to get an exemption. In here, nowhere does it say that you are going to need an exemption. So it sounds like maybe the requirement for any exemption is going away. So with it being Friday today, I don't know if maybe Monday or Tuesday we will receive further clarification on this. These changes are not reflected as of right now on the Princess website under their health protocols, and so I think that they probably got some work to do there to get everything changed and very straightforward, hopefully, for everyone to understand what's going on. So I will keep my eye on that and let you know when we receive anything new about that. We are hoping to be able to do our live. We're planning on it tonight, Friday night. It's usually, we start around 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so it's usually 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time that we can start. And so if Gordon gets home a little early, we'll start a few minutes early. But I am really excited to talk about this with all of you. I hope, please do put in the comments below, like, what you think about this, what cruises that you've got coming up that will be affected by this, just everything. We are really excited to hear about this, and so I'll really look forward to reading your comments and visiting with you this evening. So If any of you have not subscribed, would you please consider subscribing to our channel? We really need you, and we appreciate the help. If you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, you'll receive a notification whenever we put up a video or go live so that you don't miss any important updates, because things are changing so quickly right now, aren't they? And even if they aren't changing, there is so much exciting to talk about to do with cruising that it's always such a pleasure to have the chance to visit with any of you. Also, if you appreciate these updates, would you please give this video a thumbs up? That really does help us. What it does is with YouTube, it offers our videos to more people so that we can reach more people, and that would be wonderful. So I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.